In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks ready for end of year and clear the clearance account in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through a simple process to make sure your books are clean, accurate, and ready for tax time. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check, how to clear your undeposited funds or clearance account, and how to properly close your books for the year. Let's start with preparing your books. First, you'll want to reconcile all of your accounts. That includes every bank account, your credit cards, and any third-party payment accounts like online stores or point-of-sale systems. In QuickBooks Online, go to your reconciliation area and compare each transaction in QuickBooks to your actual bank or card statements. Make sure that every payment, deposit, and fee is accounted for and marked as reconciled. If something doesn't match, pause and investigate before moving on. Your goal is that, as of your year-end date, the ending balance in QuickBooks matches the ending balance on your statement. Next, go through your transactions and categorize everything properly. Pay close attention to anything sitting in uncategorized income or uncategorized expense. Those are red flags that something hasn't been fully recorded. Also scan your income and expense accounts for negative amounts, which often indicate a refund or a miscategorized transaction. Fixing those now will make your reports much more reliable. Now, let's clear your clearance account, sometimes called undeposited funds. This account should only hold payments that you've received but have not yet been grouped into a bank deposit. Open the account register and review what's sitting there. For any payments that truly have been deposited to the bank, create bank deposits in QuickBooks that mirror what actually hit your bank, then match those deposits to the correct income transactions. When you're done, the balance in your clearance account should be zero, or very close, as of year-end. Once your accounts and transactions are cleaned up, it's time to review your reports. Run a profit and loss and a balance sheet for the full year. Look for anything unusual, like negative balances or expenses that obviously belong in a different category. A trial balance report can also help you quickly see if any accounts look out of place. As you find issues, fix them, reclassify transactions, split loan payments between principal and interest, and void or clean up old invoices or bills that are no longer valid. When you're confident everything looks right, you're ready to close your books. In QuickBooks Online, go to Settings, then Account and Settings, and click on the Advanced tab. Turn on the option to close the books, set your closing date to your fiscal year end, and if you like, add a password so nothing can be changed without your approval. This helps protect your finalized numbers. Before you wrap up, it's smart to touch base with your accountant. Ask them to review your reports and confirm that everything is ready for year-end and tax filing. Also, create a backup or export of your key reports so you have a snapshot of your year-end position saved. Finally, review your customer and supplier balances. Look through open invoices and unpaid bills to make sure they are accurate, current, and reflect what is really owed. This extra review will give you a clean, confident starting point for the new year.